Hi kids, Max worksheet for class 2 grade 2. Write in descending order. Descending means big to small. Big to small. Descending means big to small. Big to small. Write in descending order. Big to small. 127, 135, 112, 192. Which one is the biggest number? Which one is the biggest number? 100, 100, 100, 100. Then tens place 2, 3, 1, 9. Which one is the biggest number? 9. 192. 192 is the biggest number. Then 127, 135, 112. Which one is the biggest number? 2, 3, 1. 3. 135. 135. Next 127 and 112. 2 or 1. Which one is big number? 127. 127. Then 112. Next one more example. 154, 111, 165, 182. Which one is the biggest number? 100 place 1, 1, 1, 1. Next tens place 50, 10, 60, 80. Which one is the biggest number? 80. 182 is the biggest number. 182. Then 165, 152, 111. 165 is the biggest number. Then 152. Last one 111. Which one is the biggest number? 100, 175, 102, 105. 175 is the biggest number. Then 105. Then 102. Last one 100. Descending order. Descending order means big to small. Next, what comes after number? 165. 165. What comes after 165? 166. Then 179. What comes after 179? 180. Next, after number means next number. After number means next number. 199. What comes after 199? 200. 100. What comes after 100? 101. What comes after 172? 173. After number means next number. 161, 162. Next, what comes before number? Before means front. 171. What comes before 171? 170. 170. What comes before 152? 151. What comes before 165? 164. What comes before 100? 99. Thank you kids.